Tony. This is Anita. We brought in our RV because of the cracking in the paint. Every time it would rain, the clear coat would pop off. So my wife found the paint department, RV paint department on the internet, and this is what's going on before. So it goes well. We want the painted the same similar style as the RV, so it matches and it looks good going down the road. We think the RV department.
Hold on. Go ahead.
My name's John Begin. This is a Kodiak 4500 with a custom-made all-aluminum box, specifically designed for motocross racing. Holds 5 bikes. Holds water for a pressure washer, all your tools, and 5 of your buddies can go ride at the same time. Raymond from the RV paint department did an excellent job on the paintwork here, and all I did was bring him something to get it close to this, and he came up with the final design, but I gave him a starting point. Other than that, they did a great job. Thanks a lot.
Thanks.
Hi, my name is Steve, and I'm here at RV department, paint department. I've been picking up my 99 Fleetwood Bounder. I brought it in originally for some work that was damaged in the back, and when I came to pick it up, I was so impressed with the work I decided to have the striping redone on it. So brought it in, had Raymond and his team, Sergio the painter, brought him in a very rough idea of what we were looking at, and they kind of took it to the next level for me, completely redoing the striping, the paint job, buffing out the cab, and I couldn't be more impressed. It was a super job. I'm very impressed with the work here. They gave me a super price, and I can't thank them enough for what they've done. So I recommend RV paint department to anybody who's thinking about having work done on their RV.
Ella necesitaba, debe darse por bien pagada el hijo o la hija que de repente no se comunica o de repente pues se olvida que tiene mamá.
Hasta el hecho de que lo tengo aquí, pues ya parece un niño.
Sí, el esposo.
Como un niño,
Qué cosas, bueno, pues ahí está tu mamá, Claudia. Pues para servirles y hay que darle llamadas a mamá, procurar que no le falte nada, siempre estar al pendiente de ella, como cuando estábamos pequeños y ella siempre estuvo de nosotros, ¿sabes?
Sí, nada más para recordarle a ella, porque queremos mucho y que la necesitamos y que pues tiene más hijos y que pues no se preocupe por los que ahorita no estamos en la vida, todos tenemos